Malai is and has always been a project attempting to find beauty in and bring out the best of natural resources. Our goal has been to research and develop materials that work perfectly on time, that are not here for longer than necessary, and can safely return to nature as a nutrient. India is one of the world's largest cultivators of coconuts. Every day, thousands of liters of water from brown coconuts are wasted because there is no industrial use for it. Our journey brought us to Kerala, the land of coconuts, and it is the coconuts that are vital to what we do. They sustain the bacteria while they ferment on it and grow the bacterial cellulose. This is the vital ingredient that makes Malai so unique and distinctive. We have spent the last 2 years perfecting the process and testing the material with designers and manufacturers all over the world. Now we need your help to bring it to the next level. Weather and humidity in Kerala put constraints on production capacity, consistency, and continuity. During monsoon season from June to September, we are obliged to take production break, and it is difficult to dry Malai sheets, and there is a shortage of power supply.
With this campaign, we would like to achieve 2 objectives. The first one is to have a drying mechanism which will enable us to produce top quality materials year-round at an increased capacity. And the second one is to focus more on our material research and development so that we could bring out our sustainable product alternatives to more people around the world.
But this campaign is also a unique opportunity for us to bring the first Malai accessories product line to you, our fans and supporters. Let's make this happen.